Right, so for those of you waiting for AirPods Pro to launch, I do have some good news because allegedly suppliers have begun preparing shipments for these new AirPods, and so that could of course suggest the release is happening pretty soon. But guys, I do have my doubts over this report, and so let's delve into it. But first, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. And with that being said, let's just talk in. Right, so my first doubt stems from the source. It's the not so credible Digitimes giving us this report, and of course, they're known for being very wrong most of the time. And so yes, for that reason, do take this information with a grain of salt. But the main reason I'm skeptical about this is the fact we are expecting AirPods Pro to launch in October, and so of course, preparing shipments in Jan does seem a little early. Now yes, I know the leaks regarding the release date could be wrong, and we could actually see AirPods Pro 2 launch at the upcoming spring event, but then again, we do have Min-Chi Kuo and Mark Gurman saying that we could see an October launch, and they're way more credible than Digitimes. And also do remember that an October release does make sense, since we did see AirPods Pro launch around then, but also of course, AirPods 3 more recently launched around that time frame as well. And so yes, I would expect suppliers to get ready for the launch of AirPods Pro 2 in May, and Jan is simply too early in my opinion. Then again guys, I have no expertise in the production fields, maybe due to the component shortage. Apple is planning to produce these pretty early and have tons of stock available from day one. And I guess I can understand why Apple might do that, because obviously in the past we have seen AirPods and AirPods Pro shortages. They have been very high in terms of demand, and Apple's supply chain simply could not keep up. And so now with the component shortage in play, I can see Apple playing it safe and of course producing these AirPods months before the release. In fact, Min-Chi Kuo has said we should expect AirPods Pro 2 sales to be 20 million by the end of this year. That's a pretty significant amount of AirPods shipments. And so yes, maybe Apple's bracing themselves for the huge demand we're going to see with these AirPods. And for those wondering why there's going to be a massive demand for these, obviously do remember that's nearly 3 years since the OG Pros launched, and so many of those OG users are very much wanting an upgrade, since I'm sure the batteries inside the AirPods have degraded by a significant amount. Not only that, but there's also going to be some significant changes with these new AirPods. For example, a stemless design, the support to play lossless audio, and also speaker holes in the actual case that could emit a sound when the user's trying to locate the AirPods through Find My. And so yeah, these are pretty significant changes. We could also of course see better battery life, better sounds, the usual upgrades. But yeah, this is going to be a massive overhaul, and so I can see why Min-Chi Kuo believes there's going to be massive demand for these. But guys, tell me in the comments below, are you excited for these new AirPods Pro to launch? Anyways, thank you for watching guys, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. Check out the video in the card above on details regarding the iPhone 14 series, and on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya peeps!